now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Had an iced coffee today. No need for a warm coffee. Boy, oh boy, how rarefied air is this? Well, for February at TF Green, we've only hit 70 degrees 3 times ever. We didn't quite get there today, but when you get 67 or 68, you're doing something you don't do very often for the month of February. And outside right now, it's gorgeous. Richmond, blue sky. Everybody got into some sunshine in the afternoon. That enabled the temperatures to really take off. Lots of mid to upper 60s to the north. And even at the coast, like Newport, sitting at 60 degrees. Once those winds turned northwesterly and it was more of a land breeze, temperatures even at the coast took off. But you don't have to go far to find winter. In fact, if you take a couple-hour drive west and head towards Albany, New York, yeah, 36 degrees in Albany, 67 in Providence right now. That's not a very, very large area to go. But you can see that the cold air is lurking and it will be back here tonight. So wintry type of feel overnight into tomorrow morning. But right now it's great. Clouds cleared out nicely. Where's our next system? We know the cold air is coming in. We've already talked about that, right? So now are we going to get some snow again? Yeah, we are. And it's going to be a snow and wintry mix by the end of the week. It's all starting right here. And you can see areas from about St. Louis south towards Memphis, some snow, freezing rain, sleet, and even some plain rain. And I think we'll have a variety of precipitation with this next system. It's not quite a straight up snow event, but there's going to be huge impacts for Friday morning's commute. So for tonight, quiet, cloudy, colder. Temperatures in the 20s. Tomorrow, cloudy, some sun away from the coast, but limited. But notice the temperatures, though. We're only in the low to mid 30s, so a cold day. We go from almost 70 today and cut it in half tomorrow. And then we turn our attention to Thursday night into Friday, that late Thursday night into that morning commute Friday timeframe where it will be likely snowing for all locations. A winter storm watch has been issued for Rhode Island and most of southeastern Mass, and it's a watch that's issued for difficult travel, some heavy snow at times, and poor visibility. And it looks like the worst conditions will likely be for that morning commute on Friday. So let me play out the futurecast for you. We know we got some clouds tonight. We know it turns colder. You go through the day tomorrow, a lot of clouds. If you're going to pop a little sunshine, you want to be a little bit more north of the coast. But overall, though, a dry day and not a stormy day, just adjusting to more of a winter-like feel. As we go into Thursday night, here comes the storm system from the southwest. I just showed you it on the radar. It inches closer with each passing hour and finally gets here after midnight Thursday night. You can see everybody's starting off as snow. But look to the south. You see some pink and some green. Freezing rain, sleet, and eventually rain. As we go through the morning, everybody's going to start off as snow. You're going to get a thump of snow right away. Everybody, even at the coast and inland, will all have snow accumulating. Roads will be slick, and that's just in time for that morning commute on Friday. But progress to the middle part of the morning, what happens? This rain-snow line starts to lift north. So even up towards like Providence and even areas in western Kent County, you turn over to a little sleet and freezing rain, plain old rain at the coast by late morning into the afternoon. In fact, by noon, that rain-snow line almost all the way through our viewing area, the exception far northern and northwestern Rhode Island, where you'll likely stay a wintry mix. And then as this thing pushes away, may end as a few snowflakes. But overall, though, that transition from that rain to snow is playing a big part in what we think for the forecast for snow, right? Because that's all anybody cares about is how much snow are we getting, right? Well, that mix will hold down the totals just a bit. Go north where it stays snow the entire time, big numbers there. But for us, a layer of 2 to 4 at the coast, 4 to 8 for the majority of our area. And if you want the 8 to 12, you got to go up into Worcester Hills. So let's get the storm, move it on out. Icy Friday night, and then just a really quiet pattern to end the month and begin March. It's cold, though. Temperatures in the 20s, 30s, moderating to the 40s by the middle of next week. Tiffany.
Oh, thanks, Jeff. Still to come on ABC 6, no more warnings where red light